Hey guys, it's Nick with Log Masters Restorations in beautiful Hannibal, Missouri. We're replacing some rotted logs on this house. We had some rotted tails that came out here, so I stagger cut back and I'm going to fill in with new logs. Here's some logs that we've already done. We rebuilt this corner, this face anyway. We have butt and pass corners, so that means this log will butt, this log will pass. This log will butt, and this log will pass. So it alternates corners, kind of a something like that on the end. So we saw a lot of rotted logs here. Basically these four here were rotted. This notch one over the window was pretty bad rotted. So after we get this done, we're going to put some backer rod in all these areas, which is a closed cell foam that won't absorb water. We'll tuck it right back in past the face. We'll put a nice bead of caulk from Permachink Energy Seal over these spots and get it all sealed in real nice.